Hi everyone, welcome to day 3, and today we are creating a program that calculates the rectangle area and also perimeter. So this program is going to be able to calculate the area of a rectangle, which is length times width, and then the perimeter, which is addition of all the sides. So in our day 3 folder, we created a HTML structure, and then inside the body we created a form. This is the form heading. The form basically takes in particular value of length and width, and then we give it a method of post and then submit. So after doing this, we do write a simple PHP. If the user clicks on submit, maybe let's first see how the form, this is how the form looks like. So someone will enter the length, the width, then we'll click on calculate. So if the user clicks on submit this button, we are going to get the user input, which is the length and then the width, and then we calculate the area. This is basically the formula of the area. So we create a variable for area, which is length times width, and then the perimeter is 2 times, in brackets you put the length plus width. So basically it is length plus width, length plus width, since the rectangle has 4 sides. And then we have here, we echo the display of the results after putting this in the form. So it's that simple. So let's go and see. So we have the length is 2 and the width is also 2. This is basically a square. And then we calculate. So the length is 2, width is 2, so the area will be 4, and then the perimeter will be 8. So let's input another, let's say 5, and then the width is 8, and then we calculate. So the length is 5, the width is 8, and then the area will be 40 and the perimeter will be 26. So basically that is it. Check out the GitHub repository for the code snippets. See you tomorrow.